If you get the error code 64 in MechWarrior Online, in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix this problem. So follow this tutorial very carefully. If you are trying to log into the MechWarrior Online and you get an error code 64, this tutorial will guide you on how to fix this problem. First, close the MechWarrior Online and follow the steps below. Restart your device and the router and try again. So sometimes restarting your device and the router can help you resolve minor connection glitches that can cause you an error code 64. So try to restart your device and the router and try again. If you have done so, but you're still again facing the same issue, then check the server status. Sometimes if servers are down, you may face this issue a lot, which is error code 64. So I'll leave the link in the description so that you can check the MechWarrior Online servers. Right now, you can see servers are all good and are under operation. As you can see, login services operational, which means it's working fine. So sometimes if they are down, you'll be facing this issue a lot, which means you need to wait probably like a few hours, approximately up to 24 hours, and try again later since servers may be down or under operation. If you have waited longer, but you're still again facing the same issue and the servers are all good, then let's go to another step, which is configure your device to use the public DNS, which can be Google or Cloudflare. So to configure your device to use the Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS is very easy. Just go to your settings. So here on the search bar for Windows, type settings and then go to, so on the search bar, type settings and open the settings app. Go to network and internet, then go to change adapter options. Then choose the internet which you're using. I'm using Wi-Fi, so right click on your Wi-Fi and go to properties. And then choose internet protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and then go to properties. And then right there, you can configure your device to use the public DNS. So you can select, use the following DNS server addresses and choose the one which I have shown you on the page, which are this one. So you can just select either the Google or Cloudflare DNS and put them on the option there. Also, if it all fails, contact the support team, which is available through this page, which will be also available on the description. So, but in most cases, this issue occurs when there are server maintenance. Sometimes they may not show you if there is a server maintenance. They can show you it's operational, but you'll still face the error code 64. So I advise you to wait probably like a few hours and try again, since servers may be down or under maintenance and they may not show you on the page here. So these are the best fixes for the error code 64. So make sure to follow these steps very carefully and you'll be able to fix this issue.